Put a tampon in your armpits and see what happens. Did you know that the tampon you use on your period can also help with many other things? Although you might not believe it, one of the uses you can make of your tampon is to use it under your armpits, although many people don't know what this trick is for, but once I've shown you, I'm sure you'll come back and thank me. And before I teach you this trick, I'm also going to show you how you can use your tampon in everyday life. In other things, so wait until the last tip that will surprise you. Tip number 1. We're going to start by giving our closet that special smell where we put our clothes. Here I have this room fragrance, it's very scented, it smells sweet. I'm going to spray it on my tampon like this here. I'm going to open my closet and I'm going to stick it in here. I'm going to stick it like this here. It's going to be very hidden, it's going to be scented. My closet and my clothes are also going to smell very nice. Nice tip, isn't it? If you don't have this essence, you can use any perfume or product that you think smells good. And the same thing can be done in the bathroom, but in the bathroom I prefer to use an essence, okay? This essence is super scented, I like it a lot. Just throw it on the absorbent and it will absorb and make your bathroom smell good. Just put it hidden. I prefer to put it here behind the toilet, but you can also put it under the sink or on the underside of your toilet bowl. Alright? No problem, your bathroom will smell great. Tip number 2 is for when you cut your finger due to carelessness with some cutlery while you're making your lunch, so you can use the tampon like this. Cut both sides of the tampon and then wrap it around your finger. This will stop your bleeding by absorbing all the blood. It's a great tip. Tip number 3. Another very good tip that I often do. You know those shoes of yours that are causing corns and you're not wearing them? Then the absorbent will save you. Just cut a piece of the absorbent and stick it where your foot corns. Here, I get a lot of calluses on my heel, so I put it here like this. Tip number 4. This tip is also sensational if you have dirty socks, you don't have any socks to wear, and you don't like not wearing them because you might get foot odor in your sneakers. It's simple. Just take a tampon and stick it to the insole of your sneakers so the tampon will absorb all the odor, okay? All the perspiration from your feet, leaving your sneakers clean. Great tip, isn't it? And now for the most important tip, which is to use the absorbent in your armpits. If you sweat a lot, if you suffer from sudorisis, which is excessive sweating, this tip is infallible. Just stick your tampon like this here on your shirt, on your t-shirt, okay? And here the pad will totally absorb all the sweat from your armpits, keeping your shirt very dry if you often feel embarrassed by excessive sweating. That's it. All you have to do is put on the absorbent towel and you're done. Now tell me, what did you think of these tips? I hope you enjoyed them and I'll see you in the next video. God bless you all.